Hi guys, I am here at Ikea and I just thought it would be fun to bring you along with me and show you guys some of the things that I love. I'm only here for a few things. Malia's birthday is coming up and we got her like a little play kitchen, and I really love like the Ikea food and like dishes and things that they have for kids. I think it's really cute. So I mostly just came here just for like a few kids things, but I'm gonna do my best to show you guys some of my favorite things that I find here or things that I already have at home. And if I find anything really good while I'm here, they did probably just put out their spring stuff and all their furniture and stuff. So anyways, I'm excited to take you along with me. I don't have the boys with me. All I have is Malia. So this trip should be like really nice and easy. We're going to Ikea. Are you excited? Oh, she's tired. Let's go get a cart, huh? One of my favorite things is when you walk in, their display that they have and all their cute spring stuff. These bags are really cute, $9. And the flowers look so real. I love this outdoor table. I feel like that would be really good. $1.99 for that table. That is really nice. But that's 2 tables put together. But still, that's a good size table if you just got one. And I have this basket. It doesn't have a price tag on it. I want to say this basket is $30 and I'm obsessed with it. Oh wait, it does. Yeah, $27.99. That basket is amazing and the kids play with it all the time and it is pretty sturdy. It's held up really well. So I'm in the plant section and I actually think these are really cute. It comes up to like the top of my belly. That's really cute. And let's see how much it is. It's $48. Those are fake though. And then here's all their real ones. Oh, this is actually, this is really pretty. How much is it? $10?
Yeah, $9.99.
I think I'm gonna get one of those. I've been kind of looking for one.
Some new look.
But they're always bigger, so they're always like way expensive.
If you let them. I wanted to get those tall ones over there. For my room.
This one's pretty cool.
It's real, but I don't know.
I'm still in the plant section, but I think these I just ran the girls. I just ran you into something. These concrete planters are really cute. I've never seen these. Oh, because they're new. And so this big one, it looks like is only $12.99. That's a pretty big one. And then I also think the shape of these terracotta ones is really cute. And I don't see a price for these. But maybe $5.99, depending on the size, because there's different sizes. So yeah. So this mirror, I wish they had it coming the other way. But this mirror is one I have in my house, and it's only $50, and you can flip it and have it be a leaning mirror, and it's pretty big. This one I think is a really good deal. If you need like a really huge mirror. It's huge and it's only $129. It's really hard to find a mirror that big, so that's good. Okay, so in the container section, they have a ton of these different kind of containers. They have different sizes of all of them, but they get really big. And then some have lids and some are just open top. So like this is a really cute color. And this is what I used for my pantry organization. Some of them also are sill tops, so you can sill. But that's actually not in this section. That's more in the like kitchen section. But I do really like all their containers here. And they even have like a lot of clear ones if you're doing like kids toy storage, and they're pretty cheap. Like this one would fit like a good amount of toys and it's $1.99. And I like how it's pretty square too, so it doesn't waste a lot of room if you're stacking or putting a lot together. You can kind of see how they did it up there. But these are really, really good for toy storage and super affordable. So, yeah, they have all different sizes. The other thing I have is this basket, and it's $12.99 here, and you can actually find them everywhere now, like at Target, Home Goods, Hobby Lobby, and they're all at the same price, but I'm really happy with my Ikea. I feel like it's a little bit better quality maybe. What do you guys think? Did you find the candy? what I have everywhere I go. So this one is $20, and this is actually like a pretty big rug. It's 2.7 by 4.11, and so I actually have it in my bathroom right now because it covers a lot of space, and the kids tend to splash a lot, so I don't want the bathroom to get slippery. But I've used it everywhere. Like I've used it in the entrance, I've used it in the laundry room, but they do have a lot of good rugs, typically super affordable. I think that one is really cute. If that was like it's like a runner, but I would like that as like a full rug. And then I also have this doormat, and it's really big, and it's $10, and it's a really big doormat. You can see. I don't know if you can see, but I really like it because it helps keep a lot of the mud and stuff out of the house that we get normally. And then this one I'm tempted to get, like I said, I'm here from Malia's Kitchen. This is $3.99, and I think it is so cute. And obviously, I don't know how well it would hold up like for real use, but it might actually do really well because you can just throw it in the washer pretty easily. But I think that would be so cute for her little kitchen. Another great thing is to look at cushion covers because they're typically pretty cheap. You can get them like for $5.99 depending on the fabric and everything. But then you can completely change your living room just by changing the cover of your couch cushion. This one is really cute. I really like that one. I'm really liking this one. I'm trying to make my pillows a little more neutral, so I think this would be perfect. I thought this little setup was really cute. I think this is kind of new too. Maybe just for like summer, with that basket, that ladder, all these towels. Cute little bathroom setup. I don't see a price. Let's see. Ooh, $20 for that basket. It's a little pricey, but there's the smaller one for $12. I feel like I'm doing a really bad job filming because now we left the marketplace and we're up where they have all the displays and stuff, and you get so distracted by, oh, that's so cute, because everything looks so cute when you're up here. So I'm gonna keep trying to show you, but I'll definitely show you in the car everything I got once I get to the car. And the girls are being so good because we got them hooked up on some candy and a phone. One thing I think is so fun is looking at all the different kitchen displays. I just love it. I think they're all so pretty. And I think this pot is really cute. I think I might get this for Malia for all her kitchen stuff. I'm excited to show you all the kitchen stuff. One of the things I'm getting are these little mesh bags, and that's 2 for $5. They look kind of like that. I think they're very cute, and I'm getting them specifically from Malia's Kitchen, but I also might use them for myself because I just think they're really cute. What do I put in them? I don't know, but I know she'll put toys in them. And then these baskets I think are very cute. $12.99. They have a wooden handle. They have different colors. They have red, blue. The blue is actually really pretty. It's like a robin blue, but I'm gonna just get white because white is always good. Okay, so we just got home and Malia's asleep, so I did want to do a quick haul and show you guys everything that I got. I'll try to keep it organized, so I'll start with like everything I got from Malia and for her kitchen, and I'm excited. I'll show you guys her play kitchen. It is so cute. I got it from Target, and it's from the Hearth and Hand line, the Magnolia. Do you know what I'm talking about? The Joanna Gaines Hearth and Hand Magnolia line. It is a really, really cute kitchen, and I'm pretty sure I ordered the last one because I ordered it.
Can I open it?
Sure. Because I ordered it and then I went back the next day to show my mom and it was sold out, so it was all gone. But I will show you. It is still really cute. I'll just put a picture. Okay, so the first thing I got for her kitchen was this little plant, this little pot, and I thought it was really cute. I'm gonna just guess on the prices of everything, estimate. I think this was about $3, and this was a little expensive. It was $10, but I think it is really cute, and it will be really cute like coming off the top of her kitchen. If you see, once you see the kitchen, you'll like understand. So I thought that was really cute, and I could even put this in my house, like in a lot of places. Do you want me to open it?
Yeah.
Okay, so then I got her some play food. They did have a lot of play food, but it was all like stuffed animal. What is that called? Like soft. and I thought it was cute, but it was really expensive for like not very much. It was like all $10, and this one is the only play food I got. The other stuff is like utensils and stuff. But no, you want to take them out? These are little cupcakes, and it's a set of 4 for $5. So, and they actually come apart, so you can kind of switch them up. I thought these were really cute, and for $5 for something, it was worth it. It's a little cake slice. You want to show the camera, Noah? Yeah. It's so cute, huh? So that was a good find, I think. And then this is like kitchen supplies, which I thought were so cute. So it comes with like a bundt cake, little cookie cutters, a roller I thought was really cute, and a cookie sheet. So this was $10 for all of this. You know, you can open this one too. And then this was the thing that I was the most excited, and the reason mostly why I wanted to get this stuff at Ikea was this plate set, and I think it's like ceramic. I better check the material, but I don't think it's gonna break very. Okay, hold on. I don't think it's gonna break very easily, so that's why I wanted it. And there's a lot. So there's bowls, little plates, and big plates. Let me open it so I can show you. So they're actually kind of like glass, but like a very thick glass that would be pretty hard for them to break, if that makes sense. But it is so cute, and it's just like so simple, and there's quite a bit in here. So I thought these were so cute. I have been wanting to buy these actually since I found out. That's cool, Noah. You want to show them? Since I found out I was having, actually before I even was having a girl, I've been wanting to buy it. That rolling pin is really cool.
Yeah.
Okay, so then I got the matching cups. So they have cups and like little tea cups. Watch out, Noah. You have to sit over here. They have cups and tea cups.
Open it?
Yes, we can open it. Let's see how long these last. But again, they were just so cute. So that was $10 and that was $10. So
Open it.
okay, yeah, let mommy open it for you. Actually, don't break them. Don't break them. Get these ones out first. So I felt like that was actually a pretty good price, especially because I feel like they are going to be high quality. And then we found this on our way out. It's like a little cutting board, and it's not necessarily meant for kids, but it is like the perfect size to put in her kitchen. Okay, can you open the plastic? Anyway, so I grabbed this because I thought this was so cute, and it was about $4. So this actually is a real cutting board, and I could use it if I ever needed to, but I'm just gonna put it in her kitchen. And then I got...
Pan.
Okay, mommy open it. I got these pots and pans, and they have like a little strainer. It's like 3 pots and a strainer, actually 4 pots. And then, oh, I got her these little kid utensils. I think this set was like $4, and it just has like a spatula, tongs, that kind of stuff. And then I got her these bags that I showed you guys. So once we get food, we can fill these up with the fake food and stuff like that. And they just have other places that I felt like the food was better. Like they have like wooden food or something.
Open it?
Yeah, you can wait a minute. I'm gonna open everything. And then I got her this basket to put her stuff in for the kitchen. But I might steal this because I think it is really cute. I showed you guys this in the store, and this was about $12, but it's pretty big. It might be too big for the kitchen, whereas all this other stuff is pretty miniature. But I could always just set it next to the kitchen just to put like overflow stuff. I did think it's really cute, and it matches everything like really, really well as far as like the kitchen decor goes. Okay, and then the last, okay, that's not the last thing. Then I got a bunch of these little things, and they're so little and they're so cute, and a lot of people use these for their pantry organization. I use something very similar from Ikea for my pantry organization. So her kitchen does have like a drawer or a cabinet, and so she can put stuff in here as well. So I was actually hoping that she'll be organized enough to keep like all her plates in one, and they all fit actually really well. So like we can put all her plates in one, all her cups in one, and like all her pots and pans in one. There's a lot of ways that we could use these, and these were about $2. They were like 2 something, so like under 3 for all of these, which I thought was really, really good. Okay, and then the last thing I got for Malia was this little rug just to put in the front of her kitchen. I think I showed you this while I was there, but it's just a simple cream like flat woven rug. Very simple, but so cute. And it just goes with the vibe of everything for her kitchen. So I'm excited. Okay, then the rest, okay, good job, Noah. Those are so cool. Okay, so then the rest of it is stuff I got for me. So I know I showed you guys this plant and this pot. Unfortunately, at the checkout, Emily sat on it and I didn't have the energy.
Open it.
Okay, let me finish this really quick. I didn't have the energy to go back and get a different one, but I think he'll be fine. He's pretty hardy. We'll see how well he lives. I need to actually research like what environment he likes. Or she, it might be a girl, or it's a plant, so it's nothing. But I've been wanting one of these like leafed, I don't even know what it's called. I wanted to call it a rubber plant, but I don't know if it is a rubber plant. But I also really love this. It's like terracotta, but also has like an urn style look. And the plant was $10, and this I think was like $5. It might be in my video that I can show you. And then I got myself 2 of these rugs because I feel like these are really good to have. I would actually feel like I could put this in my bathroom. I feel like it's a good size. I should have got more. Dang it, I'm just realizing where I actually need this. But anyway, so I got 2 of them. They were $3. So I feel like maybe if anyone else goes to Ikea, I'll have them grab me some. I got 2 of them. $3. And then I love these. These are actually new to me. They're new. I love having these scrubbers when I do dishes, and I thought this color was really, really cute. So I grabbed 2. I think they were about $2, and it's always good to just keep a bunch on hand and then toss them when they get old. And then I got this. If you haven't seen this, it's like one of the best little things you can get at Ikea, but it is grocery bag holder, so you can stuff all your grocery bags in here and keep them all organized. And it does have adhesive, so you can actually mount it to your wall in your pantry or under your sink or wherever you keep your grocery bags. And it's just really nice to have, and it is like $2. I think it's like, it's under $3, possibly even under $2. So this is just a great thing to have. Mine other one, the kids just pulled it down and the adhesive doesn't work anymore, so I probably could have got more adhesive, but I also could have just got a brand new one for the same price. So I just got a new one. And then the last thing I got, I'm actually really excited about. This is the only thing I have to assemble. Wow. And I think it's gonna be really easy. I'll insert a picture because there's really no good way for you to see what it is. But it's a kid's stool. Hold on a second. It's a kid's stool and it has like steps, so so the kids can like get to the sink and stuff a little better. I'm just trying to think of ways that they can be maybe a little bit more self-efficient for my sake. Once the baby gets here, they are very, very needy, and it's because I just prefer to do a lot of things for them, and I just prefer it that way because I have more control and things stay cleaner. But I'm realizing I need to let them like do things. I need to let them, you know, help themselves, and that's really hard for me. So I'm trying to do things to make it a little easier, and washing their hands and getting a drink are one of the biggest things. So hopefully this little stool will help them be able to do all that without making a huge mess. But yeah, I'm really excited. Again, a lot of this was just like play stuff for fun, but a lot of it I think anyone could use, other than like, well, I guess anyone can use these, but I think a lot of this most people could use anywhere in their house. There was so much more I wanted to show you guys while I was there, but again, it was kind of hard with the babies, and luckily my sister-in-law was there, so she kind of could keep an eye on them when I was like, I need to film this. But yeah, Ikea is just such a fun place. Oh my gosh, see how cute this stuff is? Noah, what are you making?
Good.
You want to show me?
Yep.
Are you making me some dessert?
Yep.
Wow, let me see. I love it. So cute. See, that's so funny to me that they just kind of like know. Even Malia, even though she's so young, she like knows what to do with play food stuff. So I do have to get the food still, and I'll get all that. So I'm excited.
Me want that.
Okay, be careful though, it's glass. I am a little worried about this being glass. I'm wondering if I should have caught plastic, but we're gonna see how it goes. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have never done like a come with me to the store type of video, but I would like to do more because I go to the store and That's really cool. It is hard when I have the kids, but today the kids were with their dad and they went to the movies, so I took advantage of that time so I can film this video for you guys. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you in my next video.